hivyo kuoga nitaoga huko. Max. Peleka huko nikuje. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Jamaican Boy Africa. Yeah, we are here. Okay, if it's the first time for you to enter in my channel, kindly guys subscribe, comment, like, and don't forget to watch up to the end, guys. So you can see I'm here in the bush, guys. Yeah, but today I have decided to take you in the river where I can yeah man you know, yeah, the vibe here, you know. Before I continue, let me take you back home and you see how I start my vlog of today. It's very amazing, guys. Let's go home. Yeah, pause. Yeah, let's go home and start our video from home, and we come back here and we go on the bus, guys. We go on the bus. Yeah, you know, I'm here with the Maxi. Maxi is here. Maxi, kuja. Salimia watu.
Hi.
Yes, unaitwa nani?
Maxwell.
Unaenda wapi? Yaman. This is a handman. Ni handman.
Handsome boy, man.
All right.
Yeah.
And this is the mason. This is the top mason, guys.
Yep.
This is our top mason of today. Yeah, we are here. Working here and there, plastering the house, the kitchen.
Yeah.
Okay, you know, I was asking, mtu mwenye anasaidia fundi anaitwa aje kwa Kiingereza?
Nini? Anaitwa aje kwa Kiingereza?
Wewe ni gangster bwana.
Handyman.
That's why I called you the handman.
Yeah, handman, man.
Yeah.
And they have hands.
Yeah. And they have fans, you know.
And we have the leg man.
Yeah, we have the but this is the top mason, guys. This is the
man,
top
can you conquer the Babylon?
Yeah, what's your name?
My name is Eli, man.
Area.
Yeah, we
okay, all right. You see how he shaved the guys.
Yeah.
It's
this
because,
is your work.
Yeah, this is my work.
Yeah.
I'm a baba. Yeah, I'm a baba. As you can, I think you know my baba, guys. Yeah, it is at Masaba Center there.
Yeah.
It's me who am kurungering him.
Yeah.
This head. Yeah. So guys, here we are in our kitchen.
Yeah.
And he's busy.
I'm busy.
Plastering here. We are busy, all of us.
Yeah.
Plastering our kitchen, our mom's kitchen here.
Yeah.
So I think today I'm going to show you many things in this video here. It will be an amazing vlog. I think after here I will be going to swim
somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere. Today I will bath in the river. I will bath in the river, guys.
Yep.
Top mason.
Top mason,
What
man.
is your, okay, this is a handman. A top handman in this village.
Yes.
You know we are in Borera village. Borera is in Masaba.
Yeah, Borera is in Masaba.
Masaba village.
Yes.
Yeah, so I can see you are bringing the sand mixing with the
sand mixed with the cement.
With the cement. What's jina inaitwa
Savannah.
Okay.
The name of the cement,
Savannah.
Yeah. And we have
Bamburi, yeah, Savannah cement. So here is Mr. He called Octopizzo. He called himself Octopizzo. The handman.
Yep,
Hey guys, you know.
Yep, man.
Yeah. So
my own stability.
all right, Mr. It's Zone, Mr. DJ is here.
DJ Zone.
What are you taking inside here?
Porridge, yeah.
Oh, porridge. Yeah. All right. You see, he's like a Jamaica. See, you know. I told you that he's my
Chronics.
He's my young brother here, you know. Yeah. Now what? So after here, what are you going to do?
I'm going to walk.
Yeah.
Yeah, Masaba.
Oh, like he's saying, guys, he's going to open the barber shop there.
Barber shop, yeah.
Yeah, you know, he's the one who this day he's assisting me there in my barber shop. So I think after here he's going to open there the barber shop one day. You know, I used to train him, guys. Yeah, so yeah, okay, you just kunywa uji bwana.
Yeah.
Kunywa uji.
Demand.
Yes, guys. Chris is here. Guys, this is amazing Africa village vlog, guys. See how Chris is ulikuwa unafanya nini? Pepeta tuone. Guys, you know now our kitchen is being prepared. That's why we just cook outside here. Yeah, it's not yet being. Chris, unakunywa nini?
Uji.
Uji? Oh, so guys, this is Chris. Yeah, today is not a weekend, but I can see he's not in school because our elder leader, Raila Odinga, is dead.
Tibara kula maandamano
Ah, yeah, si maandamano imeshafanya.
fanya maandamano bana.
Walishafanya. So guys, hadi leo kuna maandamano. Hadi leo ndio analetwa kutoka sijui Dubai. Leo ndio itakuwa maandamano kubwa, guys. So yes, guys, surprise, my mom is here. You know, it's a chilly morning. Now we are she's cleaning our yards. Yeah, she's cleaning yards around the compound. Like right now you can see she's washing the clothes, but it's not mine, guys. You know, guys, yeah, here in the village, when the people around the ground can hear that my mom is washing for me, they can laugh to me, guys. So yeah, man.
Yeah.
We are here working. Yes.
Yeah, because we are just finding some little money.
Yeah, little money.
Yeah, so that we can satisfy ourselves, man.
All right.
Yeah, man.
All right. Introduce yourself. You know you have not introduced you.
I will introduce myself.
What's your name? Your real name?
My real name is
Yeah.
Octopizzo.
Octopizzo,
AKA Octopi-I-double-Z-O, number 9.
You just say your own name.
I'm
You know you have a very long name.
I have long name.
Yes.
Naitwa mtanashati, mwenyekiti wa kamati mpenda matishati na mwingi wa mashati mpenda mapati. Kwenye pati ukula chapati ushikisha masharubati.
Yeah, man.
Wakidai na wapea mabati na ongezea makabati, wanasema mimi ndio mnati zaidi ya Illuminati.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Amazing, guys. The vlog, amazing vlog for today. So kindly, guys, make sure you tune the video till the end. Yeah, today you will be enjoy the video. Yeah, the video is very amazing.
Yeah.
And then make sure when you watch, subscribe.
Yeah.
Make sure you subscribe, guys.
Yeah.
When you watch.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm here with the top mason. Introduce yourself.
Yeah,
Introduce.
my name is AKA Babake Escobar.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm
Babake Escobar.
Escobar.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
The top mason in village, guys.
Yeah, the one and only one.
Yeah, man. You know the other mason that I get who started to plastering this our kitchen.
Yeah.
He failed, the guys. I paid him the all money of plastering the kitchen, but he failed me. He didn't come back to finish the kitchen. That's why you see, I have found another mason. But I see this one, he could be better than the one who started plastering here. Yeah, guys, because you know, even I have like your vibe, guys.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you know, see hairstyle.
Yeah, man.
Let me not disturb her. Yeah, man. What are you doing, Chris? Ulikuwa unafanya nini? Eka. Guys, this Hiyo ni maji ya kuku. Yeah, this is the water we are putting here because of the hen. Yeah, hen they can drink this water here. Yeah, that's why Chris he was putting the water inside the container there. You can see. Look guys, look. 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 Wow. So yes, you see, Chris have done a very nice work. Chris he has shown love to hens, you know, that's to show love, because he has put the water there so that hens can be taken, guys. Right. Yeah, this is my borehole, our borehole here, but it's not yet completed, guys. Yeah, you know, it was rained yesterday. Yeah, man. So guys, here, this is the hen. This is my hen, guys. This is my hen, as you can see. Wow, guys. All right, guys. So this is my mom house, guys. We are being prepared. Yeah, it's not being plastering it, but we are going to plastering it when I get some bags of cement, guys. Right. Look the view. Yes. African village life. African village life, guys. This is the African village guide. African village life. As you can see, this is the palm tree. If it's the first time to enter in this channel, guys, kindly like, subscribe, enjoy, and yeah, do whatever, and that is it, you know. Yeah, we have to be happy each and every time, guys. You can see this, we call it, this is the local kabati, guys. We are being prepared here. Hii ni kabati. Ingekuwa imebomwa sasa, ingepigwa plasta.
Bado
itapigwa hizi side.
Itapigwa hizi sides za ndani.
Hata hii. Hapa mpaka michangi yekwe man. Yeye ndo fundi.
Eti haiwezi kupigwa?
Eti njoo utaonyesha vile wanataka tuweke matope tena.
Endo ipigwe plasti pakwe rangi.
Eti cement.
I'm here with Mr. Elias,
aka Escobar. Babake.
Yeah man, babake. Wora. Doing here amazing job, guys. Very amazing job is here.
Yes.
Yeah man.
We are just like my body.
with his top handman. In village.
Yep. Yeah.
Omonati.
Gangster bana. I'm a just like my bodies. I'm a just like my bodies.
Yeah,
don't
man.
give a damn to the modern fucking chaps, man.
Yeah man.
Give a damn to the modern fucking chaps. You gonna say yeah, Rasta.
Yeah, Rasta.
Walla.
You know guys. Yeah. Here.
The old and the wise you have to be young and the stupid first.
Jamaican boy, a man of yellow hair. So I'm here with the my buddies.
Yellowish.
Yeah.
Yellowish.
My buddies here with Top Mason is here.
Yeah, man, Jamaican man never give a damn, man.
Yeah, man.
We say cool like a fish in a pool, man.
Yeah, man. Hey, as you can see, guys, the work is on. Yeah, I'm plastering here. We are plastering here. Our mom's kitchen. You can see this the local Jiko. Yeah, this is the local Meko here. This is the local Jiko, as you can see. And we have prepared another one here. You can look now. This is the modern one, and this is the local. Here we don't know about gas, guys.
Yeah.
You know this one here, it can be they will be entering the firewood in this point here.
Yes.
Yeah. This is not gas. This is not gas, guys. Yeah, man. 50. 50. Okay, guys, now here is Mr. T9.
Hi.
Yeah, man. I can see you are not around.
And you have a rasta. And
Oh my God.
Pipe. This is called Charles
Yeah.
Pipe, man. You know.
Guys, you know I have never come such a thing. I've never come such
This
a
is called
thing.
Charles Pipe,
A
man.
thing like this. What is this? You know,
It is called Charles Pipe.
Charles pipe.
Charles Pipe.
What's the work of this one?
This one for skanking weed.
Oh, for
This,
skunk.
this is made for skanking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you a skanker?
I'm a skanker.
The skanker.
Yeah, man. You know,
yes,
today
yes,
I'm
yes,
with
yes,
the
yes.
I'm with the Marasta man here. Yeah, Marasta man with the with the, it's called
Charles Pipe, man.
with the Charles pipe.
Yeah.
Hey, Charles is a name of a
It's
person.
the name of a person, but
I'm here with the Skankamans.
Yeah.
Yeah, Skankamans. Yeah, but me, I'm not a Skankaman. I'm a man of God, guys, okay? Yeah, I'm a man of God. As you can, you know me as a man of God. I do go to church and play, guys, you know. And I pray for you. And I pray for you, my fans. Yeah, my fans there in YouTube, my supporter, I really play for you. Yeah, guys, it's so yeah, you can see the work is on here. Yeah, very, very amazing guys. Yeah, man.
you put stones.
Yeah.
You put stones.
All
here.
right.
You put.
So
you
guys,
put cannabis
he's
sativa.
prepared.
Yeah. First
Sativa.
of all, you put cannabis sativa,
All
aka
right,
bang.
right. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. After that, you put some sand
You put some sand on top of it.
on top of it.
All right.
You put here. Here you put water.
You put water.
Yeah. Here,
Oh, in this
inside.
container.
Yes. You open this.
Oh,
you open the bracket.
okay.
Yeah, you open the bracket. You put water.
Yeah.
After water.
Yeah.
Now the fire
Okay, the fire on top here
on
now.
top of this.
Oh my God.
Then
Oh my
you
God.
You start skanking.
All right. Guys, I'm here with the Skanker man. It's you too. The Mason, is you too skunk?
Yeah, and don't use that because I'm a Christian.
All right.
Yeah, my work is
Oh, your work is Mason.
yeah, I'm using only this one
All
and
right.
this one.
Oh, you are using only the
Spoon,
kijiko,
yeah, we call it the spoon.
the spoon,
And this is the gurumara.
and the grumara.
Yeah.
All right. That's good.
And we have others.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know me too. Me too, guys. I'm a Christian. The way I've told you. Now we have the skanker man. Only one man inside here who is a skanker, and he said that without skanking he cannot do any work.
No kaya, no music, no kaya, no wera.
No kaya.
No wera.
Guys, can you believe if it's the first time to enter in my channel, Jamaican Boy Africa. Please kindly guys subscribe, comment, like. Make sure you leave there a sweet comment, guys. You know, a sweet comment or it's making someone, it's motivating, guys, you know. Yeah, without any comment, no motivation. Guys, tell me if to skunk is bad or is good. Okay, so I want my subscriber to answer that question. Please answer it at the comment there. Yeah, you can answer that question at the comment so that I can see if skanking is bad or is good. Is it? It's not bad. For man. All right. Okay, Chris is here, guys. Chris is here. Yeah, Chris is here. He's bombering.
Danny?
He's bombering here. Ah, Maxi. Okay. Harakisha hii sehemu inaweza kauka ipigwe.
Itakauka ipigwe.
Hey. Alright guys, Chris here is just bombering. You know this we call it in our local language Oklahoma, si ndio? So in Kiswahili bombering. How is it called in English?
In English?
Yeah.
Out of topic.
Yeah, guys, you know this is sand and cement, yeah? Isn't it?
This is a mix of sand, soil and cement.
Mixing of sand, soil and cement. We call it.
It is made for plastering.
Okay, made for plastering. Hey, this is our visitor here, and now he's one of our family. He's one of our family at home here. He's my nephew, guys. He's my nephew, and him too. He don't have a father, but he have mother. But right now he have said that he's going to live with me here at home. He's not going anywhere. I'm the one who I'm going to take care of him and taking him to school coming next year. Max, what's your name?
My name is Maxwell.
Maxwell nani?
Maxwell. Waisiko Muita.
Maxwell Waisiko Muita. Yeah, he's my nephew, guys. You can see he's taking porridge. Unakunywa nini?
Uji.
What's uji? What is uji?
Yeah,
He said that uji is kirunguri, guys. You know kirunguri is our local name here of porridge. Yeah, guys, I can see it's very dark. Sasa hii kitu yako refu. Chris. Maxi, fanya utafute hiyo kikopo refu. Uchimbe hapo kabisa. Uweke kuku maji, sawa? Yeah, I'm telling him to put a big container there so that the water it can't get that. Hiyo imekuwa chafu uoni. Zinakanyaga ndani, sawa?
Perform your duty, Elias. Perform your duty, bro.
Kuja hapa.
Oh.
Hey.
Ngaburi kali kiganga gende kigapirambo.
Pirambo Express. Yeah, guys, we are in the final touches plastering, but down here not yet, guys. You can see down here not yet done. Yeah, it's not yet done, guys. Yeah, we are in the final touches here. We are in the final touches here, plastering the kitchen. I can take you the view around it. You can see outside how it is. Yeah, you know, guys, we have set here something. You can see this outside. You know, we are using, you know. Yeah, we are starting planting the flower here. We are starting planting the flower, as you can see. Yeah, this is the veranda and this is outside, you know. Yeah, you can see. We have started. planting the flower around it. You know, I'm a man of flower. I'm a flower lover, guys. You can see outside we have already outside it has already completed plastering. Yeah, guys, I'm taking you outside. I'm taking you outside the kitchen. As you can see, the plastering have already done. Yeah, the plastering have already done, as you can see here. Yeah, the outside is red. Outside is red, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look. Oh my god, the thorn have injured me here, guys. Let me pass here. You know, there is no way here. I was trying to pass the place which there is no any way. So guys, as you can see, yeah, the plastering here is somehow yeah, and we are going to plaster even this point here. Yeah, you know, it's because of lack of cement. That's why this work is being done like this one. Yeah, guys, this is the blanket here for grandma. My mom is washing for her mom the blanket, but we are not living with her in our home here. He's living in another home there with our mjomba. Yeah. Guys, this is our mango.
Mama kamera ionyesha kitu kichafu. Hapo kinaonekana kisafi. Kamera ionyesha kitu kichafu.
Yeah, guys, this is mango. Yani kamera kila kitu ni safi.
Fundi. Kachunyo tanga ni kirunguri kino tata. Uso kihano manya kukoleka. Iya. Nyoye. Tena ne waho merisuwe.
Dani la.
Dani.
He is skanking. This skanking, how? See, look how he has sweat, and you have sweat.
Yeah, I take a puff like a boss.
Oh, a puff like a boss.
Like a boss.
Oh my God, he's skanking, guys. You know, I've never seen something like this happening, guys.
What are you doing now?
So I'm wondering, what are you doing here?
I'm puffing, man, like a boss.
You are puffing like a boss. Okay, can you who artist of reggae is using this thing here?
Oh, it's called the that man is called who?
The one
who take this?
Who take this?
Alpha Blondie. It's called the Alpha Blondie.
Can you sing even a verse? One verse of him?
Jerusalem.
Okay, the song is called Jerusalem.
Yeah. Him.
All right. Okay.
You know that song.
Yeah, I know it. Okay, just a song.
Israel ya haki wapi?
Yeah man. Hey, Mr. T, I think the video of today will be very amazing, guys. Because after here, I'm going to take bath in the liver, guys. I'm going to take bath in the liver. I'm going to take bath in the liver. So
tell me you are not smoking. You are just
I'm skanking and the puffing.
He's skanking.
So you enjoy.
In fact, enjoy.
You enjoy.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, tell us.
I like this thing like that than money.
Okay.
Than money.
He like the Charles.
Yeah.
Charles Pite. Like he like Charles Pite with this things with you like it than money.
I like this thing
than money, guys. You see,
when I take this, I get
amazing. When you take this, you get money.
I get money.
When you don't take this,
I don't get man.
Or you be bored. You don't go to work. You can't work without this thing here.
And we were ready for working, man.
Amazing, guys. Amazing. Here with the top mason. Are you two you take this thing?
I don't take that.
Okay.
I do take cement.
Yeah.
And my details.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that one.
Cement, kijiko,
Yeah.
and I can see the mbao here.
Yeah. We
Yeah.
call it gurumara.
Gurumara, guys.
In English, I don't know.
Okay, Gurumara is which language?
Gurumara is Kiswahili.
Kiswahili?
Yeah.
Okay, Gurumara is Kiswahili.
Mkonobawa, another name.
Mukonobawa.
Yeah.
Alright,
man.
guys. We are in the final touches. You know, I'm around my home here, the village life. Yeah, I'm showing you how is the amazing vlog here in village. Amazing life. Yeah, today is another day. God have granted to us, guys. So we are here doing some work. Yeah, here and there, as you can see, guys. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, I'm ready to leave. Yeah, I'm ready to go. Yeah, to take shower, to bath in the. Yeah, guys, so you can see I want to departure. Yeah, I want to departure. I'm leaving the mansion and handman here to continue with the plastering the kitchen. Me, I'm living with the Chris and someone called Maxi Muita Waisiko. Yeah.
AKA Max Romeo.
Guys, I'm taking porridge. And Chris, nyinyi mmeshiba? Muko ready wenye munaweza kimbia? Unajua huko kuna masnack, okay? Where we are going, we may find a snake, everything dangerous there. So you have to be ready. Running. You see how I've dressed? Yeah? It means readiness, okay? Yeah, let's go.
There's a serpent, Dana. There's a serpent where you are going.
Observant.
A serpent.
A serpent.
Serpent is a snake.
Is my
Oh, serpent is a snake.
Yeah.
serpent
Really?
is my snake.
Yeah, really.
Oh, munasikia vile Dani anasema? Huko kuna rese,
Serpent.
Serpent. Hey, guys, yo.
Yeah. So,
The polish of my mom is so sweet, guys. Hey. Look, but I have seen something inside. But it have metering.
yeah.
So guys, we were leaving. So you continue.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me go there and bath in with this. You know, this one here have finished around 2 days without bathing. I'm going to sukura him with the resources in this mugongo.
We did that somewhere.
So kindly, guys, we are leaving. We are leaving, guys, and let's go. Chris, twende. We're done.
Hola.
Tutawasiliana. Yeah, man. Unajua njia, Chris? Okay, we are with the Chris here, guys. We are on the way. Yeah, on the way now, going to bath.
In the
in the dam, guys. Rambo, eh? Yeah, guys, let's go together. Yes, guys. Here we are heading. You can see it's very bush, very bushy, guys. But we are going. Yeah, we are going to bath. To bath in the dam, in the swimming pool. Maxi, kimbia huko. Uko na Chris, twende. Okay, guys, now we are here. Hey, look how is the visara is. Unaangalia nini?
Nasusu.
Oh. Okay, guys. Why twende huko kwa visara? Hey, kuna watu wamepita hapa kweli, Chris? Oh. Okay, guys. Twende. Guys, look. Yeah. Shika hapa. So kindly guys, as you can see, we are here going to the river. Yeah, we are here going to the river. You can see guys how it's bushy. It's bushy and very cold guys. Wow. But there is, I heard a story that inside here there is some snake coming here. Yeah, there is a snake which are inside here, but I think it's not now. That's why we are not fearing. Hey guys. They are fearing a snake, but I don't think there is a snake around here. Yeah, good. Maxi, umewahi ogelea kwa ram? Even boom. Nyoka. Now I can see he's fearing guys. Let's go. Carry him. Like this. Yeah, now he's young. And this place is very far. It's very far guys. Yeah, now. Good.
Yeah.
Uogopi kuanguka? Unaweza kuwa ninja? Uanguke aje. So guys, we are heading. Yeah, so we are heading to the dam. Today we are going to bath inside here. And don't forget, behind the camera, I am with the Chris. Let me show you Chris. Twende. Chris is here. Chris.
Yes.
Twende, why usichungulie huko kama ng'ombe ziko. Tumekaribia. All right guys. So today they are very happy. They are very happy because Nikishuka hapa.
Tayari.
Unaona nikishuka. So guys, oh my god, we have already yeah man. So I think it's here. Let's go. See. Umeona vile ni kubwa?
Yeah man guys.
Hey, Max is very happy and no one is inside here. Watu hawakubwa. Hapo wanaogeleanga wapi? Hapo. Wanakuja kuoga. Watakuja? Hey guys, look the water guys. Oh my god. Uko hivi. Ona huko ng'ambo huko. Leo hakuna watu wanaogelea hapa. Woi. Hauogopi?
Ni mbali.
Hata mimi nimeongeza mpaka nisusu
Samaki.
Guys, look. Oh, mtu anaweza ingia hapa kwenda chini. Woi. Songa kwenda huko Max. Enda hadi huko katikati. Nitakuvuta hivi vum.
Wanachimba na toa miezi wana roga. Wapi?
Look guys, very cold place. Very cold place. Very cold place.
Unasema hapa yote hivi. Unaenda mpaka huko mbele.
Mpaka huko hivi.
Angalia hadi kinyonyi kinakuja. Nimeenda kinyonyi huko kinakuja kuangalia.
Okay, so guys, we want to bat. Yeah, I'm here with the Chris and Maxwell.
Samaki.
Yes, this is for fish, guys. Hili ni la korokonyo. Oh guys, look. This
Korokonyo ya samaki.
Yako. Hata sasa tukienda tutayaona.
Utaingia tu ushika hivu ya toe, ni mengi.
Yeye tuende tuone. Let's go and look these things.
Mpaka uingie ndani ya maji.
Haya, hatuwezi yaona nje. Kwa kijiti.
Walipasua.
Siku ingine tutakuja Korovia.
Ndio hili sasa ni korokonyo. Inakaa kama ni lizima hili.
Guys, I want to show you the korokonyo. I don't know how it's called.
Korokonyo.
Korokonyo?
Korokonyo.
Hey, guys, look. Hilo ni korokonyo?
Lizima.
Hilo liko ndani?
Maji kwa gani nafika mpaka hapo.
Sasa yamepungua. So guys, yeah. We are going to bath in this place here. See how they are enjoying to see the dam, guys. It's very far, and us to come here, it takes time. It takes long time, guys. Yeah, so here we are around. Hilo hili ni lizima sasa. Linauma?
Aling'ati.
Ni kitu.
Si ni kitu tu.
Oh, guys, you look. Likipasuliwa sasa liko na nini?
Sijui. Hebu tupasue here.
Pasua. Let's pasua this one. Here. Kuja upasulie hapa. Woi, tunaweza ruka. Guys, look, hakuna. Look guys, which was inside here? Iko wapi?
Ndo hili na hili.
Oh, this one here. Iko wapi? Oh, hili. And this one here is what was inside here. Guys, it's sunny. It's sunny. Let's go around the... Tutazunguka hivi. Watu wanaogeanga wapi? Watakuja kuoga. Mvua ilinyesha watakuja. Guys, see how it's cold. Yeah, very cold. Tuzungukie huko. Huko hivi nilionanga nyoka siku ingine kubwa. Huko there. There is I look a snake. Yeah, huko ng'ambo. Unasikia kupupu? Na hii maji saa hii imejaa mapupu. Si wewe ndio umeanza kusema? Yeah, so guys, Chris, ando kanyage huko usikie. Kuja uanze kuitupa tuone. Usikie kama kuna michanga.
Michanga
iko. Kuna michanga chini? Mimi ukitoa nionyeshe ndio niamini. Sitaki niingie nikute ni matope. Nachukia nikanyage matope. Kwanza kwa maji.
Hii side na kuna matope lakini ukienda tu
hivi.
Matope.
All right guys.
Makina kuja mpaka hapa.
Mpaka wapi? Sionyeshe. So guys, yes, Chris is ready to wash, to bath. Is ready to bath. Is ready to bath. Now let's go, Chris. All right, guys. Now Chris is inside. Yo, get there, get there. He know how.
Tayari.
Yeah, after wash, guys. I'm going to take bath now. Me myself. Yes, if you like swimming, tell me. If you like swimming in the dam, like this one here, tell me, guys. So guys, yeah, it's my time now, Toka. It's my time now. I want to take shower, you see? Yeah. This is my local cape of bathing. When I take shower, I do like to cross my hair, you know? Yeah, now before I get in the dam, in the rambo here, I want to unaifikisha karibu. Yeah, you know. Yes, guys, you know. Hey. Hey. Nina swim. Zoom tufike karibu. Umemeza kikombe. Swim.
Amegusa.
Umemeza kikombe. Haya, nimeingia na kiberiti kwa maji. Guys.
Ai, kakimea sharibika.
Usikuje mpaka hapa.
Kiberiti. Sharibika hicho.
Sharibika. Fika hapo, fika hapo. Haya.
Ndo wanike.
Maxi. Enda uanike huko.
Utoe vimegui.
So guys, yeah, songa na kamera kuja. You see how it's deep? Yeah. It's very deep, very deep, guys.
Sasa hii inaingia kwa maji.
Uje nayo.
Hey. Ayo narushia simu maji. Narushia simu maji.
Amezima. Kuja.
Asa sabuni.
Nipe. Muliko.
Baridi.
So guys. Wewe ogelea hapo nyuma. So guys, nilikuja na resource. Hata hivyo kuoga nitaoga huko. Max. Peleka huko nikuje.
Baridi. Unajua nitaka tumbo. Mungu baba, Hapa yamechafuka. Yamechafuka.
Songa.
Ametupa sabuni.
Haya, ulikuwa umeivuta? Haya, ipunguze.
Nivute. Nivute.
Naonekana. Haya, ivute.
This guys, man, guys. Acha msikule mpaka hapa, nitakuja nikupige. Mratulia.
Ipunguze.
Si nundo anatabanani, sijui anatabanani ya nini.
Ipunguze. Hey, to swim, guys. To swim, you must be strong. You see? Yeah, you have to be with energy. Mura. Guys, look. Yeah, I'm here with my nephew. This is Maxwell and Chris, Jamaican boy, Africa here. Yeah, kindly we are swimming. Oh my God, to swim is very nice. Munafurahia? Munafurahia? Munafurahia kuogelea?
Yeah.
All right, let's swim. Swim. Let's swim there. Munaenda wapi? Si muogelea kwenda huko. Shika up. Guys, to swim is very nice. Very nice. Twende huko.
Wapi?
Leka huko tukienda. Unaenda mpaka wapi?
Huko. Aya ya moto hapa.
Ona, Maxi. Nataka uende sawa. Nataka nikurushe hivi. Ugeuke hivi sawa?
Aya, piga tena.
So guys, I want to remove this. Mulika penye naonekana hapa juu. Kuja hapa. So that I can bat serious. Yeah, wewe imetosha?
Mura, shati yangu.
Na unavaa shati?
Vua hiyo shati.
Unaenda wapi na shati?
Ukauka.
Ukauke. Umeplay. Bro.
Sikia beza alikuwa anakunywa vikombe.
Ulikuwa unakunywa vikombe? Anya nimekurusha. Vikombe. Songa. Uko penye nilikuwa.
Samaki vile mdogo.
Wewe imetosha? Unakauka urudi.
Kuja uone samaki.
Unamulika kitu.
Ikati. Ndio vile mdogo. Unatembea. Tavre. hawezi kuchota. Unajisumbua. Nobody can stop again.
Hiyo side. Unataka nini hapo? Unataka samaki?
Nyunta itakuja kuingilia. Nini? Nyunta. Si wewe ndo matacho yako.
Hizo ni nyunta zenye zingekuuma.
Sikia samaki zinavyofanya.
Ndika hapo kwa mguu. Aya, isave. Unajua kusave? Kusave ni hiyo nyingine sasa.
Ya juu.
Si hiyo ya kupozi, hiyo nyingine.
Ya chini.
Umeivuta? Now guys, we are here. Enjoy. Max, kuja ushike hii simu. Wai. Toa hiyo nguo. Aya, pause. Watching. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your support. Comment if to swim in this big dam here. Show them. Yeah. Is it good or bad? You know, to swim is to enjoy, guys. Chris, enjoy?
Yes.
Have you enjoyed?
Yes.
Okay, and you have enjoyed? Yes, I think everyone here have enjoyed, you know. It was a emergency trip. Him now here in the dam so that he can swim. And I think now he has enjoyed. And this is Chris. Yeah, he's batting. So kindly, guys, thank you because you have watched the video till the end, and welcome again to the next vlog. Please guys, make sure you subscribe, watch the video till the end. The video is very amazing. And now right now here I'm thanking you because of what you have watched. Yeah, you have watched my wow, that is Chris. My nephew, Yeah, there Maxwell is my nephew now, and he's one of my family now. I'm going to live with him. I'm going to take care with him, guys. So kindly thank you for everything. Thank you for watching. The video was amazing. Whoa. All right. Guys, this is the oil. Want to apply oil in our body.
Mdomo. Tutasubiri zikauke.
Si zangu zimekauka.
Tati yake.
Si ndio hii itakauka. Fanya.
Ba. Mba. Mba. Nimeona kinyonyi kingine hapo.
So guys, we are going back home. Yeah, we are going back home. Kindly guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for everything. As you can see here, I'm with the Chris. Yeah, we have done. Yeah, with the bathing, with the swimming, with the whatever in the water. Now we are going back home, guys. Yeah, as you can see, we are going home. I'm with Max. Maxi, have you enjoyed?
Yes.
Okay. Unaona vile bisara ni kubwa hapo? Yeah, so guys, amazing video. Thank you for watching till the end. I would like to end my video in this point here. Yeah, and I have got the sisiton, this one. Yeah, in my mouth, so. And I can even clean. Weka chini hiyo kitu. I can even clean my teeth here. Yeah, because I have a stick. A toothstick. I've got a toothstick here. So guys, kindly thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribe. Thank you for everything, guys. Yeah. Yeah, I think you have enjoyed the vlog. This is the this is the end. I'm with the Chris here. Chris, say hi.
Hi.
Yes, say bye.
Bye.
Yeah man. So kindly thank you for everything. Bye. Watch till the end. Let's meet in the next vlog, next video, amazing video. Thank you guys. Thank you my good people. And God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Whoa.